Imagine a world where highways are filled with self-driving cars, seamlessly navigating their way through traffic, thanks to the USA's pioneering advancements in autonomous vehicle technology. Picture Australia, where the sun fuels a renewable energy revolution, making solar power accessible to all. Envision the bustling smart cities of the UAE, where artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things transform urban living into a highly efficient experience. In Russia, quantum computing is at the forefront, promising to revolutionize industries like finance and medicine. Meanwhile, the UK is rolling out 5G networks, enabling lightning-fast communication that advances smart cities and IoT applications. Germany showcases advanced robotics in manufacturing and healthcare, enhancing productivity and patient care alike. Italy leads with AI in healthcare, ensuring faster and more accurate diagnoses. France is pioneering electric aviation, making air travel sustainable and eco-friendly. Turkey innovates in agriculture with drones and AI, improving food security. Spain harnesses the ocean's power for renewable energy. Which innovation do you think will shape the future the most? Let us know in the comments.